Okay, so the scene I want to talk about is the arrest and eventually the lockup scene at the police station. When I was shooting the arrest scene, I remember uh, when I felt extremely in danger, and because bunch of policemen are picking me up like a cockroach, and there is nobody to help, and everybody is a spectator. Somewhere Mohin knew when something like this happens, nobody is going to be standing for you, but uh, but it but it still hits you when it happens eventually. And also there is a deep sense of danger as to how much the police knows, and he knows that he will eventually be tortured, beaten up by the cops, which we establish in the next scene right away when Murad enters, and Moin clearly looks like he's in bad shape because he's got bruises all over and he's limping on a knee. We were silent for like 2 hours. It took me 2 hours to get into the makeup, and Murad was ready in the room. It was a quiet set, very few people, and Ranveer was wearing his headphones and he was in his zone. I went and sat inside two or three other inmates in that lockup. um, the only thing I felt Moin doesn't want in this life is for somebody to see him in this position, and that is what happens when Murad walks in. Moin feels extremely embarrassed to be in this situation. And also there is a strange sense of bravado and machismo that he always wants to experience, and there is a kind of honor among thieves policy that uh, he clearly established that he has. He would never be a snitch, something that he reaffirms. What hit me hard when I was doing that scene was the genuinity of concern that Murad had. It was so genuine and it was so heartfelt. Probably it's been years since somebody cared for Moin in that way, and that kind of um, cracked a little tough wall and let the light in. That kind of a moment happened. Me and Zoya were very clear that Moin is still going to be the tough guy, still going to be in top of the situation, still will want to be you know, the survivor. But it was something that none of us planned, but the vulnerability was something that we both experienced in the moment. Also, a looming danger that I felt that Murad can get into if he exposes himself as a part of the car theft. Uh, that clearly means that it's end of his life. The dreams are no longer going to be achievable. All the hard work that he's done in years will come to nothing. And Moin, after seeing some life, knows that the importance of having a dream and probably having the balls to chase it. Because somewhere that scene also shows that Murad minus the dreams could be Moin, and Moin plus the dreams could be Murad.